masses, welcome back to another unboxing.
Okay guys, today we got a Star Wars pop. We got Darth Revan. One of my favorite Sith. Alright. This... Hold on, let's do it because someone doesn't want it.
Yeah, should I do it?
Yeah, you do that then. So that's the front.
Side.
Yep, side.
Other side.
Yep.
What do we do? The back? No, the bottom, I should say.
Yep.
The top. Last but not least, the back.
Yes. We got the back. We have obviously Darth Revan's there, Shadow Stormtrooper, Yoda, but he has a hood on, and Darth Malik.
As in Yoda hood. Oh, sounds good.
Doesn't. Let's get this open. See what it's like.
He needs a bit of force. Oh, did you see what I did there? The force be with you.
Ooh, it's like a little place to keep it. Okay. It's pretty cool. I like it. His purple lightsaber's a bit better though.
Might be because it's in here.
Maybe. His red one's straightish. Much more straight than the purple anyways. There's no paint defects either.
Nope. His head wobbles nicely. That's right, actually. Good details. Like you said, only... I hope you can see that. So the purple one's slightly bent.
Yeah.
Turn him around for you. Look at that head go. Oh yes. Turn him around for you.
You know what? It looks pretty cool. I like it a lot. I'm actually giving it a 5 because
Underneath.
he's my favourite.
So there's that.
It's cool.
Yeah. Pretty good actually.
So I will give him a 5. I will put the link in the description where I got it from. It was from Pops You Like. And this is actually the last pop that I'm getting.
You said that last time.
Maybe I did. But this is the last one for a while. I'm not sure about Jay. I'm not sure about Dad's unboxings.
No, I'm not. I like the pops, but I'm not into the pops. We will be getting some 7 Deadly Sins. Not too sure when. But yes, we will.
Oh, cool. Well, yeah. Darth Revan, guys. Actually, he has got a little bit of paint defect on his belt. But you know what? It's all good. Doesn't bother me. Okay, it bugs me a little bit. Bugs me a little bit. But you know what? No one's going to see it. But I know it's there. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you. And Jamal?
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to smack that subscribe button, like, and comment, and subscribe. Maybe we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Peace.
Take care.